In front of me is SONY Xperia 5.2, and let me show you how to activate call waiting on the following device. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, then click on more icon, which is 3 dots one and right upper corner, and go to the settings. Here just click on calling accounts right here and select your carrier. So in my case it's Virgin Mobile. Now just tap on additional settings, and as you can see I don't have it active, but here you will be able to find call waiting. All you need to do is to tap on the switcher to make it active, and then while call you will be notified about another incoming one. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.